Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. Have you ever saved a website so you can quickly open it later without typing the address again? That saved website is called a bookmark in Microsoft Edge. All your saved web bookmarks can appear in a small bar just below the address bar. This is called the bookmark bar or favorite bar. It helps you open your favorite websites with just one click, but sometimes this bookmark bar is hidden, or maybe you want to hide it for a cleaner browser look. In this video, I will show you how to show or hide bookmarks bar in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11 or 10. So let's get started. First open Edge browser and then click on this one triple dot menu in the top right corner. Then select settings in the drop down menu. Under Edge settings, select appearance in the left sidebar. On the right sidebar, scroll down and click on toolbar under other appearance settings section. Here you will see favorite bar. Click on this one drop down menu and you can choose always to always show bookmarks bar on the top just below the address bar. You can choose here never to always hide this one bookmarks bar, or you can choose this one option that says only on new tabs. This will only appear bookmarks bar when you open a new tab. You can also quickly open show or hide bookmarks bar by pressing Ctrl Shift B on the keyboard. You can quickly show or hide. To bookmark a website, just open any website you want to bookmark and then click on this one button that says add this page to bookmark. Just beside the address bar, click on this one option, then click on this one done button. This will bookmark your website. You can quickly open by clicking on this. That's all about this video. Bye.